Hello, I'm Michelle, and this video is going to be showing how to adjust the timing of the bobbin shuttle on the Singer 9420 and on the 6235. They will both be adjusted the same way, so this video will work for both of these machines. I hope this helps you with whatever problem you're having. So to start with, you're going to need a few tools. You are going to need a size 2.5mm Allen wrench. I have a multi-size set, but you don't have to. You could just get a 2.5mm size. A 5/16 socket or wrench, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. And something to get rid of the dust, because you're probably going to have a lot of buildup in the bottom of your machine. These are the tools you'll need to get into the machine and to loosen the gears that you'll need to adjust. So let's get going. So this is our machine that we're working with for this video. You will want to unplug your power before you get started. So just unplug it. And now let's get going. So on the bottom of the machine, there are 3 points that you need to undo. There's on mine, there's a Phillips screw in here. There's a nut right here, and there's a flathead screw right over here. So we're going to undo all 3 of these and take both of these bottom pieces off of the machine. Now that we have those bottoms removed, we can see all the gears in here. So there are 2 gears here that control the shuttle, and there are 2 gears, this one and this one right back here, that control the feed dogs. Now we need to adjust our shuttle. So we are going to loosen this screw again with the 2.5mm, and you're just going to turn it a 1/4 turn again to the left. If it is loose enough, you should be able to hold this gear as you're turning the hand wheel. So that is loose enough. You don't need to have it any looser than that. And we're going to stand our machine up. We will open our sliding plate. We want to raise our needle all the way up. Take off our needle plate. Pull this back and take out our bobbin case. So now we can see our shuttle, and we are able to hold our hand wheel still and move that shuttle. So what we want, I'm going to turn the shuttle so you can see what I'm talking about here. There's a little flat piece right here, and our shuttle hook is right here. So we want the eye of our needle, so right here where your thread goes through, you want that eye to line up with the top of this edge. And you want the hook, this hook right here, to be right beside your needle. So we're going to turn our bobbin shuttle until we can see that it is right about in place. And then we are going to lower our needle and hold on to that bobbin shuttle. And you want to get your needle down to the lowest point and then coming back up. The hook of our shuttle is right here. Turn it so you can see it. See the hook there? You want that hook to be right next to, on the right side of the needle, and the eye of the needle, I'll lower it so you can see it, the eye of the needle, you want lined up with the top of that flat surface. And now our needle and our shuttle are in position. So now we are going to tighten that screw back down on the gear so that it doesn't move. To tighten that screw back down, you're just going to put your thumb on this gear so that it doesn't move, and you're going to just turn that screw a quarter turn back to the right, or until it's tight. You don't want it moving around. Again, these are gears that control things, so you don't want them getting loose. And now that it is in place, you'll be able to see that is lined up still. So now we're going to put it back together and test it. So go ahead and raise your needle all the way to the top, and we're going to rethread it. All right, now that we have it rethreaded, we are going to test to make sure those stitches are catching correctly. And we're going to test it with the straight stitch. And I have it on the longest stitch length and just the straight stitch. So that's sewed perfectly for my straight stitch. That's all for now. So I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, give me a thumbs up. And if there's something that could help you in the future, please put it in the comments and I will try to address it. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you have a wonderful day. But also, if you've made it through this video and you're interested to see how I changed the gears on my machine, comment, show us the gears, because I did record changing those gears, but I have to voice over it and I have to edit it. So I don't want to do it unless it's actually going to be appealing to people. So if you'd like to see that, comment, show us the gears. Have a wonderful day.